Hello guys, welcome to your daily code challenge. Today we are going to solve a problem which is about with Russia. I hope there are followers from Russia also. And it is in fact pretty easy problem, but when you see the description it's a little bit long and you might think that it is an hard problem, but I'm going to give you the key point so you are going to understand it perfectly. So, the first thing we know that between this time Russia was using Julian calendar or Russian Empire for that time, I guess. And after this time, so 1918, they have started to use Gregorian calendar. But at 1918, there was something interesting because of this calendar change. 31st of January, after 31st of January, so it is supposed to be the first day of February. It was 14th of February. See? So there's something like that. We are going to use this information. And the thing is, in Julian calendar, leap years are divisible by 4. What is leap year? If February is 29 days, which you know from basic information from elementary school, I guess, every 4 year we are checking, we are having a February which is 29 days. And it is pretty easy to calculate for Julian calendar because we are just checking if the year is divisible by 4, it is 29 days. But with the Gregorian calendar, leap year is one of these things. So it might be divisible with 400 by 400 or divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100. And if it is divisible, that day 256, I guess day comes to do, 256th day of that year is 12. 12, 9 and plus year. If it is not, we are adding one more day, except our case in here, which is uh, this one, 1918, because at here we need to add 13 days, because as you see, 1st of February becomes 14th of February. So there is 13-day difference. So let's start our code. We are going to use a remain. So remain is equal to year and 4. So we are going to check if the year is divisible by 4 and let Julian is equal to 1917. Why? Because it was used till 1917, right? And first thing, if year is smaller than Julian, we know that we are going to use Julian calendar. What was our rule for Julian calendar? Just divisible by 4. Okay, pretty good. Then if we don't need to do this again here because we have already done it here. So if remain is equal to 0, then return 1209 plus year, right? Okay. What is our else condition? Else return 13 to 9 plus year. Okay, we have handled this case. What is our other case? Else if year is equal to 1918, why we have this case? Because I have already explained, it is written in here. At 1918, first day of February was 14th of February. Like there was a change because they have changed their calendar. And the difference is 13 day. And we know that it doesn't fit that rule because it is not divisible by 4 or 400. 1918. So we are going to add, let's write 13 plus 13 is equal to 26. This is why we are going to return 2609 plus year. And our last case is, which is our year is greater than 1918, or yeah, 1918 in here as you see, then it means that we are using Gregorian calendar. So what are our rules in here? Let's write them. If year if year is divisible by 400, or it is written in here divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100. So let's open a bracket again in here. And what is our case? So if it is divisible by 4, our remain must be 0, right? And our other case is year cannot be divisible to 100. And return, I'm just going to copy from here because it is the same thing. So let's delete it. And what is our case? Other cases, it is not a leap year, so we are going to return 13. Sorry, we need to add one more in here, and year. Also, I need to add dots to here and here. Let's check again. Yeah, it looks good. Let's try. Okay, it didn't pass. Why? Let's check what we have done wrong. Okay, remain is that one. That's true. If year's smaller than Julian. Okay. Remain. I have written wrong. It was typo. Let's try again. Okay, we have other problems also. If remain is equal to 0, send this one. Yeah, correct. Else send this one. Correct. Else if here is this. Return this one. Correct. If right, 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 plus here. Correct. Okay, I have found our problem. I made another typo in here, so you just need to change it to the remain again, and let's submit code again. So you will see also it has passed all the test cases. Okay, as you see, it has passed all the test cases, and it was a fun challenge. Thank you for watching, and if you like to learn more about programming and improve your skills, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you very much, and bye.